Dual Seal is a composite waterproofing system manufactured by Paramount Technical Products, Spearfish, South Dakota. Dual Seal is a family of products that make up the system. That family includes Dual Seal Mastic, which is used on penetrations and irregularities. Dual Seal Joint Tape, which is used in areas where waterborne contaminants, such as methane gas, may be a problem. A termination bar, used to terminate the grade line, and the Dual Seal Granular, used to implement the transition from footing to wall or on those difficult horizontal penetrations. Dual Seal membrane comes shipped on pallets of approximately 909 kilograms or 184 square meters. It is packaged in rolls individually wrapped for weather-resistant protection on the job site, consisting of a roll 1.2 meters by 7.3 meters long, or 8.7 square meters. It is easily handled by one man, and it can be adapted to many job site conditions. Excellent to prevent water intrusion on foundations, split slab, or any kind of substrate configuration. Many times concrete block walls have a minimal overdig. Because of this minimal overdig, it is important to waterproof the positive side in lifts of 1.2 meters while working off the inside of block walls. It is also most effective on the green poured concrete walls, blindside waterproofing, as will be shown in detail later, or a split slab application. Because of its ease in handling and application, it is installed very quickly on the job site, thereby reducing labor costs. On the job site, the journeyman waterproofing installer will check the substrate to determine if the condition of the substrate is proper for waterproofing. Once this is determined, he will lay out the work for the crew to accomplish starting the job, such as making the proper length cut, getting the accessory material lined up, and the tools for application. The system on the application shown, which is a blind side application which will be shotcrete treated, is very simple to install. The application is accomplished with the bentonite side toward the pour or toward the shotcrete. As in all cases, the bentonite side of the membrane is always against the concrete. This will eliminate any water migration, if for some reason water should penetrate the high-density polyethylene. Dual Seal is very effective on blindside applications because it is the most critical of all waterproofing jobs. Critical because once the concrete has been poured, there is no second chance to re-inspect or to ascertain the quality of the waterproofing job. Effective in this way because it is a composite system, actually two systems in one, that waterproofs not only with a 20 mil high-density polyethylene, but also with roughly 4 kilograms of bentonite per square meter. The advantage with the dual system is that it is not necessary to have special substrate preparations such as skin troweling, purging, or etc. As I mentioned before, the concrete can be green or it can be damp. Since Dual Seal is nailed to the concrete, there isn't any special fastening devices or preparations that must be made. Backfill can be accomplished immediately, as it has by virtue of the 20 mil high-density polyethylene, a built-in protection course. An excellent illustration of the system being applied to a concrete substrate is the job at the U.S. Naval Hospital in San Diego. The Sandy System waterproofing and coating crew are applying Dual Seal to the chapel and library building of that facility. This is a very complicated job, in that there are a number of complex move-ins and irregular substrates. Some important things to remember about Dual Seal. It doesn't require any proprietary, expensive equipment to install. It's non-toxic, non-polluting, it's not harmful or dangerous to the installer to handle or to apply. The dual seal waterproofing system is also used to protect against a long list of toxic pollutants as mentioned before. Methane gas, high hydrocarbon waterborne contaminants, etc. High-density polyethylene has been used and is used to prevent the intrusion of methane gas in the subsurface areas such as Fairfax District in Los Angeles, California. Along with a great resistance to water penetration, with dual seal withstanding a hydrostatic head of up to 46 meters and a coefficient of permeability of 2.7 times 10 to the minus 13th, which is a far better rating than any other bentonite product on the market today, and certainly better than most other membranes, without the inherent problems others possess. We see in the testing labs testing being conducted on not only the permeability, but on the tensile strength, the elongation, the puncture resistance, and the pliability, all of which gives us the end result of a superior membrane with a life expectancy measured in the thousands of years. Dual Seal has one of the best manufacturer's warranties in the business, and the Paramount Technical Products Company is extremely service-oriented, supportive, and knowledgeable in the field of composite water intrusion protection systems. To sum up the benefits of the Dual Seal system, we mentioned things like ease of installation, minimal substrate preparation, the built-in protection course, the ability to limit job site delays because there is no cure time required for the concrete or for the product, the ability to eliminate water migration across the substrate and withstand hydrostatic head up to 46 meters, adaptability to a number of different types of substrate, and good effective longevity of the product because of its lack of breakdown or deterioration. Information can be obtained on this system by contacting your local sales representative or by contacting your local distributor. We appreciate the assistance of all the waterproofing installers shown on this program because without their assistance, we could not accomplish our goals. We recognize conditions and circumstances will change on each job, which may not be normal. Please seek help from the manufacturer.